Near Mantova, Erika, luxury knitwear. The culture of raw material and knowledge about its features underlie a process that uses fine yarns and extremely refined production techniques. In the conditioning room, the yarn is hydrated to best meet the needs of all production stages. Weaving on SHIMA machines with the widest range of gauges, washing cycles, sewing, and all manual finishing, leading from creation of the prototype to production. Are tracked digitally to monitor the protocols of the acquired certifications. A constant focus on sustainability is realized in actions aimed at reducing energy consumption and environmental impact, such as the application of a code of ethics that protects and enhances workers, guaranteeing the reputation of the luxury brand. Gruppo Florence, crafted luxury group.